Welcome back. Fishermen at Kharivado, Vasco are upset as the beach has been messed up by oil spillage. The scene is ugly. It's a recurring menace. Fishermen claim that huge vessels release their oil in the deep sea, which affects marine life, thus hampering their business. Former MLA Jose Philip has demanded a strict vigil by marine and coastal police on vessels indulging in such acts.
खूप त्रास जाता आणि आजकाल पोटा खातीर काम करूंक वता नुस्तें धरूंक वयता ते खूप प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी हे सगळे भुरग्यांची हॉलिडे आहा ते न्हांवंक येता तांकां न्हांवंक गावना हेजेर कितें गव्हर्मेंटान म्युनिसिपालिटीन जो एमपीडीन कितें एक्शन घेवन हे सगळे क्लीन करचें हे बोटीची आसतली पिड्ड्यार जालेली कित्याक गुळे गुळे जावन पडलेले आहा गुळे गुळे जावन पडप म्हणल्यार पिड्ड्यार जाल्ली ऑयल सोडलेले आहा पूण एक्चुअली दर्यान सोडपाची न्हू ही दर्यान सोडपाक हेंच्यांनी कोणें एक्शन घेवन कोण सोडल्या ताका धरून कितें जालें कितें पनिशमेंट दिवपाचें बंद जातले लोक नुस्तें कितें खातले हे आतां ऑयल बसीन तर येयली नुस्तें जाल्यार मरण वयतले लोक खातले कितें नुस्तें
ऑयल ज्यो व्हडले व्हडले स्टिमर येतात तेणी ऑयल दर्यान सोडूंक जायना आनी ऑयल दर्यान सोडप म्हणजे इट इज अ वास्ट आनी हें सगळें पेट्रोलिंग करपाक कोस्ट गार्ड बोट्यो आहाय प्लस तुका आमचे मारीन पुलीस कोस्ट पुलीस कोस्टल पुलीस आहाय तेणे हेजेर सारको एक विजील करपाचें
authorities who are supposed to take note of this. The oil, this is not the first time that is happening. Every now and then it happens and nobody is really bothered about it. So I would request the pollution board, captain of ports and all the other concerned authorities to take note of this and do the needful.
After becoming the India #1 in junior mixed doubles, Goa's top badminton player Anushka Kuelkar is determined to achieve a similar result in the women's doubles. The 17-year-old shuttler from Forne is training hard for the upcoming tournament in Cochin.
Anushka Kuelkar from Fonda puts in hours of regular practice at the indoor stadium at Fatorda under the guidance of SAG coach Vinayak Kamath. The doubles specialist has recently reached the top position in the Indian junior mixed doubles ranking. And now, Anushka is determined to improve her game to reach the summit in the women's doubles.
I have to improve on my fitness level because I have to get strength in my leg, more strength in my legs because the competition at the national level has improved a lot. There is a lot of competition to reach the semis and finals. It becomes tougher and tougher day by day. And in mixed doubles, I've already reached the number one at the national level. But now I'm aiming to be #1 in girls doubles too, as I'm ranked 5th seed for the Cochin tournament. I want to move on to #1.
Veteran coach Vinayak Kamath praises Anushka for the focus on her goals.
On the court, she is very focused, positive approach. Her anticipation is really good in doubles. As she is attacking player, her smashes are good, and where she is concentrating more, as she has to finish the rally when the shuttle is coming from the opponent's side, little weak, so that she can kill the shuttle. And with this regular practice, she is focused for her Cochin tournament, which is to be held in next week.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Sarbanand Sonowal is the new Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs. The 51-year-old Assamese has been given an independent charge which should help him to transform the nation's fortune in the field of sports. Sonowal will face many challenges as he chalks out the plans for development of sports in India. However, to lift the country out of the clutches of cricket and improve its standard in other sports discipline should be Sonowal's biggest challenge.
Here is Sarbananda Sonowal taking the oath as a Union Minister of State with the Modi Sarkar. The 51-year-old Sonowal has been given independent charge for youth affairs in sports, thus making him the top man to lead the developmental work in Indian sports. So here is the new face who has been given a key portfolio. Who is Sonowal and where does he come from? Sonowal was elected to the 16th Lok Sabha from the Lakhimpur constituency of Assam. Until January 2011, he was a member of the Assam Gana Parishad political party. He then joined BJP and was immediately appointed as a member of the BJP National Executive. Sonowal is reported to have interest in football, cricket and badminton. India promotes many sports disciplines, but other than cricket, the standard falls way short of being close to the world-class level in most of the cases. While there are sports federations and associations all over the country, accountability is missing from most of the administrators who run them. Corruption, factionalism and nepotism are some of the major problems in Indian sports. The sports fraternity will now look up to Sonowal to lift India out of the gloom and put it on a pathway to success in the field of sports. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.